Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! For part A, to find the area of region R, first determine the x-intercept of f of x equals 2 minus e to the x by setting x equals 2 or x equals natural log of 2. The area is given by the definite integral from 0 to natural log of 2 minus e to the x. To the natural log of 2 minus 0 minus e to the 0 equals 2 natural log of 2 minus 2 plus 1, which is 2 natural log of 2 minus 1. About the y-axis using cylindrical shells results in the integral v equals 2 pi times the integral from 0 to natural log of 2 of x times 2 minus e. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.